In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to maximize your screen space in TradingView, allowing you to focus more on your charts with minimal distractions. If you've ever felt like the trading interface is too cluttered and distracting, mastering the full screen mode can be a game changer. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance your trading experience by providing you with an uninterrupted view of your charts, which is especially beneficial when you're analyzing complex patterns or multiple indicators. Let's start by diving right into the process of expanding your charts to take full advantage of your screen real estate. First, open up TradingView and navigate to the chart you're interested in analyzing. Once you're there, you have a couple of options to maximize the screen. One straightforward method is to click on the bracket symbol located at the top right corner of your chart window. This icon resembles a square, and clicking it will immediately expand the chart to full screen, providing a clearer and broader view of your active trading chart. Alternatively, for those who prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can press Shift and the F key simultaneously. This shortcut is a more efficient way to achieve the same result, especially if you're in the middle of rapid analysis or switching between multiple charts quickly. Keyboard shortcuts can become invaluable tools, saving you both time and clicks, which is essential in a fast-paced trading environment where every second counts. Now that you have your chart in full screen mode, you may enjoy the enhanced visibility and focus it brings. However, it's also important to know how to exit full screen mode once you're done. This is just as easy as entering it. All you need to do is press the escape button on your keyboard. This action will bring you right back to the standard TradingView interface with all the panels and tools visible around your chart. Familiarizing yourself with these simple steps can really streamline your experience, enabling you to switch between full screen and regular view seamlessly. This flexibility is crucial when you need a clearer perspective on the data and then quickly transition back to using the various tools available on TradingView. As you integrate these steps into your routine, you'll likely find that your ability to analyze data improves thanks to the clutter-free environment you've created. So whether you're planning your next trade or merely observing the market, you now have the power to control your screen space more effectively. Practice these steps a few times, and they'll soon become second nature. By the end of today's tutorial, you should be comfortable toggling between views, helping you become a more efficient and focused trader. Happy trading, and I hope this tip enhances your TradingView experience.